Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we will talk about some of the best miter saw blades for cutting your metal, tile trim, edging profiles. I have had hundreds of questions of what blades we use on our miter saws to cut our metal trim edging, and also what blades will cut clean and safe. I'll start by saying you do not want a framing miter saw blade, a general purpose, your 40-tooth wood cutting blade. With those type of blades, the cuts aren't that clean, and you take the chance of the metal trim binding up and flying towards you during the cut. Cutting metal trim can be dangerous, and nobody wants an injury. So safety is important. Always protect your eyes. For sure, without a doubt, never cut aluminum metal trim without some sort of eye protection. Protect your ears, especially if you have a loud miter saw like mine, and protect your hands. We will talk about 3 great options for your miter saw blades, as well as the pros and cons, the benefits and drawbacks. Let's show you the metal trim profiles that we're going to cut today. Now this is our favorite trim edging profile by Schluter. It is a Schluter Jolly. It is a square low profile trim, different finishes, black, white, bronze, and your brushed chrome. You then have your Schluter Rondeck with a round radius. Again, different finishes in this, aluminum. And your third most popular is Schluter Quadeck. It is a square boxed trim. And of course, you might find yourself cutting things like this aluminum channel for glass, 1/2-inch trim transitions for flooring, or a profile like this with a channel to install LEDs above your shower niche. Now there are only 2 cuts to be made, straight cuts or miter cuts for corners, and these blades will give you very clean cuts. We will first start with the blade that we use most of the time, which is an 80-tooth finish blade. Now this blade not only cuts aluminum trim very clean, it also cuts wood trim very clean as well. Most of our projects consist of full bath and shower remodeling, in which we cut both aluminum and wood, such as your door casing, baseboard, and other trims. This right here, guys, is a good all-around blade. Our next blade is by Diablo. This is a very popular blade. Now keep in mind, these are 12-inch blades. All of these come in 10-inch as well for your miter saws. Now, non-ferrous metals are metals that do not contain iron. Your most common are copper, brass, aluminum. If the majority of material you cut is aluminum trim for your showers and not much wood trim, this is your best option. It still cuts wood well, but not as good as the DeWalt. Third and final blade, again, is by Diablo. This is a 60-tooth ferrous metal cutting blade. It also cuts aluminum, like obviously a hot knife through butter. It also cuts other trim edging, such as your Schluter Finnick, which is stainless steel. It's great for cutting your stainless steel frames for your shower doors. If you cut 100% of the time metal, regardless of ferrous or non-ferrous, this is the best blade for you. Well, there you go. Some of the best blades to attach to your compound miter saw in order to cut your metal trim edging profiles, in order to cover up the cut ends of your tile. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to tap the subscribe button, tap the bell notification button, tap that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.